Do you know what you're looking at here? I'd venture to say a lot of you don't. Heck, I wouldn't have known a year ago. I would have no idea what this is, but I'm going to tell you. It's Polaris. It's the North Star. And this is taken from a P1000 camera, a Nikon P1000 camera. And this is what a star actually looks like. Stars are not balls of gas burning trillions of miles away. It is scientifically impossible to see light from trillions of miles away. But that's unimportant right now. What I want to do is I want to provide you that first Jenga puzzle piece that you can pull out. Because once you can pull that first one out, then it's easier to pull out second and third and fourth. And then all of a sudden, once you've pulled out 10, the whole puzzle crashes to the ground. So what I want to do is I want to show you this star live and moving around. And then I want to show you what NASA presents as stars. And you will never find an actual video of a star because they always have to present CGI or still shots because they cannot give you what an actual star looks like because it will start to let your mind wander and question things. And that's what I'm here to do. I want you to question things. I don't want you to believe what I'm telling you. I want you to question what you have already believed for your whole life. Challenge your beliefs. Be open-minded, because that's what being open-minded is. Challenging the beliefs you've already established. Here's Polaris in all its glory. Does that look like the same thing as the sun to you? I don't think so. So here's another star. This is a different one. And I want to show you what it actually looks like. This is Sirius, the dog star. I want to show you what it actually looks like when a human, thousands of humans, look through a very good high quality telescope or camera, zoomed in, versus what NASA is going to give you. This is all you'll ever get from NASA, is either CGI or a still shot of a star zoomed to such a tiny focus that you cannot see any detail. I just wanted to give you more of this Sirius dog star because it is just glorious. And you can look this up. You can look yourself like I have. My friends, this is real close. You cannot see the detail like this if this was trillions of miles away. The closest star is supposed to be 25 trillion miles away. And we can see the detail of it like this. So I just want you to see what happens when you type in Google and YouTube zoomed in star video. And this is what you'll get. You're going to get a still shot. This isn't a video, it's a picture zooming in. And then at some point they switch to CGI. This should tell you something that should start to get this going. This isn't a video. This is a still shot and probably CGI. Try to find an actual video. I dare you. I just want to leave you with this final video and tell you, seriously, open your mind and think about it, please. That's what they'll show you that looks like.